A parking slider is a device facilitating convenient parking in confined areas. It's a slim platform sliding beneath the car, providing support during forward or backward movement. This minimizes the risk of damage and eases maneuvering in tight spots. To use it, position the slider under the car, start the engine, and gradually move the vehicle to the desired location. Benefits encompass easier parking, safeguarding the car from dents, scratches, and time saving. It's especially advantageous for seniors and those with mobility issues. Parking sliders can be bought online or at hardware stores, with varying prices. Ensuring the slider fits the car's size, placing it straight, moving the car steadily, and avoiding collisions with other vehicles or objects are essential tips for effective use. Overall, parking sliders enhance parking convenience, safety, and speed, making them a valuable tool for challenging parking situations. Ground 1 modular flooring offers a durable, easy-to-clean, and versatile solution for garage flooring. Crafted from sturdy polypropylene copolymer, these tiles withstand heavy use and resist slips and moisture, making them ideal for wet and messy environments. Installation is a breeze, with tiles snapping together using a peg and loop system, requiring no specialized tools or expertise. This modular flooring suits various spaces, such as garages, workshops, basements, and home gyms, available in diverse colors and styles to match any setting. Benefits include exceptional traction, resistance to chemicals and stains, fire resistance, and a 10-year warranty. For an affordable, stylish, and functional garage upgrade, Ground 1 modular flooring is an excellent choice. The Vroom Retract Vac is a wall-mounted retractable hose system designed for garage cleaning. The hose remains neatly stored within the unit, easily accessible when needed. After use, it automatically retracts back into the wall-mounted unit. Benefits include convenience, organization, and cleanliness. The system ensures a clutter-free space and eliminates tripping hazards. The Vroom Retract Vac effectively reaches all areas, promoting a clean garage environment. Its durability, built with quality synthetic materials and metal components, ensures longevity. Priced at approximately $200, it offers value for its convenience and features. The Powerbuilt 3-in-1 Under Dash Creeper is a versatile garage tool usable as a standard floor creeper, under the dash creeper, or knee pad. With thick padded foam cushions, it offers comfort during extended use. 6 3-inch caster wheels ensure stability and easy mobility. Crafted from durable materials, it withstands heavy use. Priced around $60, it provides value for its versatility, comfort, and durability. Features an adjustable under-the-dash height function, enhancing convenience. When not in use, it folds for easy storage. The Powerbuilt 3-in-1 Under Dash Creeper is a high-quality, versatile, and comfortable tool suitable for various tasks in the garage. The BIGBOI WASHR Pro is a commercial-grade pressure washer engineered for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. With a potent 2000-watt motor, it generates 1850 psi pressure and 9.5 lpm water flow. Noteworthy features encompass a total stop system, TSS, for automatic water flow shutoff upon trigger release, and a brushless induction motor for extended lifespan and superior performance. Its robust construction suits demanding applications, offering value and efficiency. With its power, durability, and advanced attributes, the BIGBOI WASHR Pro is ideal for cleaning vehicles such as cars, trucks, boats, and RVs. Priced around $800, it justifies its cost through its capabilities and features. It is an excellent choice for those seeking a powerful and resilient pressure washer for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. The UniFUX Wheel Gripper and Joint Play Tester, a versatile solution designed for tire services, car workshops, and upcoming truck workshops. Say goodbye to stuck rims and cumbersome wheel detachment processes. UniFUX effortlessly releases rims from hubs, eliminating rim damage and the need for unsuitable tools. Its easy setup and lever mechanism ensure the safe removal of any wheel, no matter the difficulty. Revolutionize your chassis joint and suspension testing. With its play-free attachment and lever arm, UniFUX detects even the slightest damages in ball heads, bearings, bearing bushes, and other wheel suspension components, enhancing safety for your customers. UniFUX is a game-changer. Compatible with wheel sizes from 13-inch to 22, 550 to 800 mm diameter, for common cars, SUVs, and vans. Protects rims from damage during use. Drastically reduces wheel change time. Offers precise joint play testing. Swift installation in seconds. Secure, non-slip attachment with specialized spikes. BETAG's lighting systems offer top-tier, energy-efficient lighting solutions for garages. Utilizing advanced LED technology, these systems deliver even, bright illumination, making them ideal for various projects like car and motorcycle maintenance. BETAG presents a range of lighting options catering to diverse needs. With varying sizes and configurations, you can select the system that perfectly suits your workspace. Installation is a breeze, thanks to comprehensive kits and clear instructions provided with the systems. The LITESTIX LS36 SMD is a rechargeable LED work light tailored for garage use. Boasting 36 super bright LEDs, it ensures ample illumination for any task, with extended battery life allowing for uninterrupted work sessions. Versatility is a standout feature, as the LS36 SMD can function as both a handheld light and a wall/ceiling mounted option for hands-free use. Its swivel mount enables effortless angle adjustments, while the impact-resistant housing guarantees durability even in challenging environments. It stands as a commendable choice for those seeking a durable, adaptable, and brilliantly lit work light for their garage. While the cost is relatively higher, the exceptional quality and features substantiate the investment. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. I'll be posting more reviews of new innovations in the future.